It's raining, it's pouring. Girls, are you guys doing alright out there? It's okay with the rain? Okay, let's just make sure everyone's safe and good with all the weather happening before we continue. Sure.
Rosie, remember the one time
yesterday
Dennis
we
came
forgot to do something.
The wave? Yeah. I thought of that too. I know, I was thinking about that too. How could I? How could I? New Jersey. We have to do the pink wave. It's gonna be a real pink wave since it's been raining and it's a wave.
It's like a pink ocean.
Pink ocean.
Pink ocean, right?
For sure. Shall we do it? Are you guys ready for the pink wave? Alright, so let's start. On this side. On this side. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Hide it under your arms or between your legs. Let's hide the light sticks so it's dark. It's all black. Oh, it's getting very dark. Nice, nice, nice. Ooh, ooh.
I can still see some lights, but
hide it. Everybody hide their light sticks. Good. Perfect. Wow. Okay, so from this side, starting on the count of 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, it kind of faded, but that was so cool.
I think the fourth floor is kind of slow.
Really?
Yeah.
Should we do fourth floor on its own?
Yeah, only fourth.
So only fourth floor, we're gonna do it one more time.
Someone being lazy.
So we turn off all the lights again, we're gonna do fourth floor only. Okay, on this side, on the count of 3, 2, 1. Fourth floor only.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh yeah.
Nice.
Okay.
Nice. Alright. I think third floor can do better than that. Should we try it? Alright. On the count of 3, 2, 1. Third floor. Go.
Third floor. Whoa. Almost there. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Alright, second floor. You can do better. From this side. On the count of 3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
Ooh. Much faster.
Whoa,
Nice. Oh, yeah. That lit all the way up.
Nice.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool. That's cool.
So impressed. Wow.
They did it.
Okay.
Alright, standing.
Standing.
Can you do better?
First floor gets it.
Can you do better? Alright, hide your light sticks. Let's do the third, standing. Sorry.
Floor gets it now. Let's
Okay.
do the floor.
3, 2, 1, go.
To the floor. There you go.
Woohoo!
That's gotta look cool.
Thank you so much.
Now everybody! Now everyone!
They were like, we're still.
Blinks United. We love it. Oh my god, so I was reading something really cute the other day. And some of the Blinks were talking about how they've made some best friends whilst, being a Blink. So they're like,
Put your hand up if you found your new best friend today. Have you?
really?
Really? Are you sure? Yeah.
Let's be honest, guys.
Oh, it's Jenny. Oh.
Oh, it's yeah, I
Well,
thought that was really cute.
That's so cute and that makes us really proud. That's so special.
I'm so jealous. You got a new best friend.
Can we be best friends with you guys too?
Please.
So today we just got ourselves like
How many new friends?
bad with numbers, but this many new friends. So before we go on, I think we have to mention that we just got it updated. Due to the weather condition, we might have to stop the show at some point. It's
Might be like
I know.
very dangerous. So.
just for safety. That we don't know if
Because of the wind and also there may
told you
be chance of lightning, so we want you guys to all be safe. That's number one. But don't worry because
the next song. Don't worry, you guys. But just to mention that that is the current situation that we're under. So sad. So before the weather gets any bad, let's continue the show.
Let's do it. Okay?
Let's go. Alright, we're gonna introduce you guys to the band for It's Too Late, and today we have Young on the keys. If everybody could give it up for Young!
Lightning's about
And
5
we
miles
have
out.
Chuck on the guitar. Hi, Chuck. Hi, Chuck.
And we have Omar on the bass. Hey, Omar. And Benny on the drums. Benny.
Sexy Benny.
Oh, okay.
And of course, Brandon on percussion.